office has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 318, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Lunenburg, and Mecklenburg. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the